If you're a writer, a dreamer, or anyone with something important to say, you've probably thought about publishing a book. But while completing a writing project is a huge achievement in and of itself, figuring out how to publish can be a real challenge, especially to first-time authors. So here we have a basic overview of all the steps involved in publishing. We also have more detailed videos on each of the steps, so click the link in the description to watch those. This video will walk you through 10 important steps involved in publishing a book. First things first, decide if you want to self-publish or go through the traditional route. Each path has its pros and cons. If you decide to self-publish, you can publish much faster, have complete creative control, and earn much more in royalties. And if you decide to traditionally publish, you might have a lot more mainstream publicity. We have a whole set of videos on the different publishing options, so click the links below if you want a more detailed overview. No matter how you're publishing, your manuscript has to be perfect and error-free. This involves multiple rounds of editing to remove typos and ensure clarity. You absolutely cannot skip this step. Again, we have a whole set of videos on editing, the different types of editing, proofreading, linked below. Even after editing, it helps to get feedback from other people. So share your manuscript with friends, family, online circles, or even beta readers. Their insights will help you refine your manuscript further. Once your content is finalized, you need to format your manuscript with clear chapter titles, page numbers, and aligned text. This gives a clean and professional look. You can either use the Notion-Press DIY platform to format your book yourself, or you can work with a professional typesetter. Your cover is your book's first impression. It has to be visually striking, genre-appropriate, and adaptable to different formats, print, ebook, and more. Remember, if you're printing physical copies, you'll need a back cover design and a spine as well. You also need to write a book description that sells. Think of this as your book's elevator pitch. Keywords help people find your book when they search online. So if you've written a self-help book about eating better, some of the keywords might be best diet plan or how to eat healthy. Book categories tell bookstores and readers the genre of your book. And you also need to plan ahead for your book's release. Whether it's a digital campaign or a physical launch event, you need to create buzz around your book. To do this, you can build a website, get an email list, post about your book on social media, and also get early reviews. Now you're finally ready to publish. With our Notion-Press platform, publishing is as easy as uploading your manuscript, designing the interior and cover, and clicking publish. But if you want expert support at each step of the process, you can opt for our Outpublish service. Publishing is only half the journey. Now it's time to market your book. You can use social media, Amazon ads, or even author events. Our next playlist is all about how to create an author brand and how to market your book effectively, so stay tuned for that. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!